Hello friends, welcome to my new YouTube channel Velvex Fashion World. In this video, I will be showing some Western dress, Indo-Western dress and Indian dress, also with DIY makeup and some facials, hair spa and hair color too. Today also I will be going to show some dresses with makeup and costume jewelry. I have dressed myself with a georgette gown while keeping the makeup and costume jewelry same. Here I have dressed myself by wearing black Dhakai Jamdani kurti with red leggings and red dupatta, and also changed the costume jewelry, changed the color of bindi and lipstick while keeping the same makeup base. Here I have dressed lehenga assembled with a black shrug and black belt to change the color of bindi while keeping same makeup and same costume jewelry too. Here I have dressed myself with a black multicolor gown assembled with a shrug and black belt too, while keeping the makeup and costume jewelry same. I have shown 5 dresses with makeup and costume jewelry. If you like the video, then press the like button and share it more with your family, friends and relatives too. Today, for the first time, come live in front of you on YouTube videos with folding hands. Please excuse me if anything goes wrong or you don't like. Today's video is up to this for the time being, and we'll be coming back soon with some more dresses, makeup and costume jewelry too again. Thanks for watching. Thanks to all and bye. Have a great day.